Welcome to EduPom India. You're watching Expert Chemistry with Abhinav Gaur, and the topic of the day is nature of CX bond in haloalkanes and haloarene. The nature of CX bond in haloalkane and haloarenes. So, the X, that means halogen. X represent halogen. Halogen means the element of group number 17. As I have already told in my previous lecture that in case of haloalkane and haloarene, the most common halogens are chlorine, bromine and iodine, but X may also represent fluorine and astatine. Okay, so for example, we have chlorine associated to a carbon atom, and this carbon atom is associated to a carbon chain or a hydrogen, a carbon chain or a hydrogen, a carbon chain or a hydrogen. So in this case, as we know that chlorine is more electronegative than carbon. Okay, chlorine is more electronegative than carbon. Not just fluorine, we can also write it that halogens are more electronegative than carbon. So as the halogens are more electronegative than carbon, so this CX bond, or in this case as we are studying, the CCl bond is polarized. This bond is polarized, and the polarity is towards the halogen because halogen is more electronegative in nature. So the polarity is towards the halogen. That means the electron cloud will be pulled towards the halogen. The electron cloud will be pulled towards the halogen atom. So this halogen atom act as a partial negative center, whereas the carbon act as a partial positive center. And due to the difference between electronegativity, the cleavage that occur between the CX bond, that cleavage is heterolytic cleavage. That cleavage is heterolytic cleavage. And as we all know, in case of heterolytic cleavage, one species is benefited and one species bears the loss of electron. So here carbon will bear the loss of electron and it will convert into a carbocation intermediate, whereas the halogen will be the beneficiary species and it will, in this case, it will be removed as Cl negative, which will be called as the leaving group. So as we know, the bond length increases as we move from fluorine to bromine to iodine. So the bond length of CF bond is shortest, whereas the bond length of CI bond is the largest. To remember, the bond length of CF bond is 139 picometer, whereas the bond length of CI bond is 214 picometer. If we talk about the bond enthalpies, then the bond enthalpy of CF bond is 452 kilojoule per mole, whereas as we move from CF bond to CI bond, the bond enthalpy decreases to 234 kilojoule per mole. So the bond length increases as we move down the group from fluorine to iodine, whereas the bond enthalpy increases when we move towards upside from iodine to fluorine. So this is all about nature of CX bond. All you need to remember is that as halogens are more electronegative than carbon, so the CX bond is polarized and the polarity is towards the halogen atom. Heterolytic cleavage will result in formation of carbocation intermediate and a beneficiary species which will be X negative and called as leaving group. We will study more about haloalkane and haloarene in our next lecture. Till then, thank you.